Good morning, students. Today, we're going to talk about defining and non-defining relative clauses. So, in this case, I'm going to show you a little slices about this part. So, first, I'm going to tell you about this. Okay. So, in this language, we have many formulate relative sentences with a special pronouns called relative pronoun. Okay, for this part, I'm going to show you some some relative pronouns that I have over here. Okay, I'm going to put share with you this part here is the title, defining and non-defining relative clauses. So over here, we have relative clauses, okay? In this part that we have relative clauses, we have who that we use for people. We have which that the animals or things that we used. The other word is whose. We have whose for possessions. And finally, we have that. That we use for people, animals, things, and every kind of words. Okay, everything, nothing, something, or anything. Then we have a defining. We use things, times, people, possessions, and places with one of these words. Okay, so in this case, here I have some relative pronouns and adverbs, okay, that can be omitted as long as they act as an object or in the sentence. There are two ways, okay? So that is why I use who, that, which, when, and why. Okay, so I'm put the other case. In the other case, I put my definite relative clauses over here that it says that they give detailed information. So I have here, I'm gonna put this over here. I have here for why, for what can I use this? Okay, I use this for the defining. I use for persons and objects. I have my subject, object, and possessive here. I use this for my things below. Okay. In the other case, the non-definite relative clauses, I use it for the same objects and persons, but here I don't have an additional information. Okay, it's not defined. Okay, so in this part, I'm going to put the other. I'm going to set you the other part of about clauses. Okay. Okay. So I was talking about the non-definite relative clauses. Okay, these are composed of one relative pronoun. Maybe one's a verb or an optional other elements such as subject or maybe an object of the verb. Okay. In the other case, defining relative clauses, as the name suggests, defined relative clauses, so are the same. Okay, so we give an information, an essential information to define or identify a person or a thing that we are talking about. Okay, one of those examples are the dogs or the cats that are unusual. Okay, they are defined like a relative clause that gives gives us more information about that. Okay, that's the definition of the clauses with non-definite and definite relatives. Okay, so I have over here, I have over here, I have another example for you. Okay, I'm going to put over here my next. So I have here an example with non-definite clause. Okay, it's Emma, the subject, the relative pronoun, who is my friend's wife, is the non-definite clause, all with who, that is the relative pronoun, and lent me the later is the complement. Okay, I have over here one example for you. So this is our concept, or sorry, this is okay, this is our exposition about non-defining clauses and defining clauses. Okay, have a nice day, and I'll be with you on other of these slices, presentations. Thank you. I'm going to put over here my next. So I have here an example with non-defining clause. Okay, it's Emma, the subject, the relative pronoun, who is my friend's wife, is the non-defining clause, all with who, that is the relative pronoun, and lent me the later is the complement. Okay, I have over here one example for you. So this is our exposition about non-defining clauses and defining clauses. Okay, have a nice day, and I'll be with you on other of these slices, presentations. Thank you.